Hi everybody, Holly here from HolliDay AnyDay, and today I'm going to show you how to make a real nice kind of, I think it's fairly holiday-y side dish, although you could use it any time of the year. Brussels sprouts are real popular with turkey and with Christmas dishes and things like that, but if you don't want to do the hot Brussels sprouts, they get kind of heavy. Why don't we make a cold Brussels sprout salad? And the nice thing about this is you can make it ahead. It'll last super good on a buffet. In fact, it's even better if you make it ahead because the Brussels sprouts tend to be a little bit kind of firm. So usually you can buy these at the market already shredded. My market didn't have any shredded this week, so I'm going to show you how to shred them up yourself if you happen to get them, if you have to get them whole, okay? So all we're going to do, I think you probably could do it in a food processor, but I'd worry about it getting too finely chopped. So just take your Brussels with the stem in to the left and just with a nice sharp knife, just finely do this. It's very simple. Just be careful with your fingers, of course. And they've got enough little layers in there that then they'll shred apart themselves and separate. This is a good one. Some friends came to dinner the other night and because I made a turkey after Thanksgiving, and he liked this so much he wanted the recipe, so we sent that one home with him. It's just a nice alternative, I guess. I always feel like we need something fresh with the big heavy meals of the holiday season, and it's a good option. Okay. Finish up this other little guy. Now feel free to add and subtract with the various ingredients we're going to toss in here, but this is a nice combo. So we've got our Brussels sprouts, about a pound. Do some chopped pecans, some chopped red onions, which I've soaked in water and an ice bath first so they aren't quite so pungent. Chopped dates. If you don't like dates, you could use some other kind of dried fruit. I like dates. And I've also added some dried cranberries. Now we'll give these all just a quick toss. And then I've made a real nice, it's a lemon honey Dijon vinaigrette, and the recipe's on the website. We've made it before. It doesn't need to be crazily overdressed. But like I was saying, if you make this ahead, at least 15 minutes ahead, to let it get, kind of soften up those Brussels sprouts a little bit, because I feel like they really need a little help in that department. Probably could do this with kale too. That would probably be really good. So it's kind of a nice healthy thing for your holiday buffet, huh? So it's that simple. Let's add a little salt and pepper. If you wanted, you could add cheese to this. Maybe a sort of a simple white cheese would be good. Manchego, maybe a dry jack. We're gonna keep it vegetarian and vegan today. Let's take a nice little platter and just simply, look at how gorgeous that is. Very, very festive holiday colors too, with the green and the red onions and the cranberries. And I'll bet this would even be good the next day, to be honest. But try it the first time and just do it 15 minutes, half an hour in advance. Okay, there we go. Let's have a little bite. Let's give it a taste. A little crunchy right now. That's really good. Very, very, very lemony. Give that a try. It's easy breezy.